In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these WASSCE or WAEC chemistry problems under ionic or electrovalent bonding. So guys, we have 20 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says electrovalent compound normally we have option A have mobile electrons, conduct electricity in a solid state, dissolve in polar solvent, have low boiling point. So guys, the right answer to this question will be option C, which is dissolved in polar solvent. Very important. A typical example of an electrovalent compound is your sodium chloride, which is your common salt. So salt can dissolve in a polar solvent. A typical polar solvent is water. Water is a polar solvent. Alright, so the right answer is option C. The next repeated question will be this one. It says when an atom gains an electron, right, it becomes properties negatively charged, chemically inactive, a cation, or dies. So when an atom gains electron, its properties becomes negatively charged. Option A. Alright, so that's basically the answer to this question. A typical example is a non-metal. When non-metals take part in chemical reaction, they gain electrons and their charge sign is usually negative, whereas metals they lose electron and their charge sign is usually positive. Okay, so the next repeated question will be this one. It says which of the following compound will leave a metal residue when heated? So the right answer is option D, silver nitrate. Very important, guys. Take note of this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says an atom of an element X gains 2 electrons. The symbol of the ion formed is this one that has X the power -2, option C. Alright, so the gain of electron shows negative power, the loss of electron shows positive power. So the answer here is option C. The next subject question will be this one. It says chlorine atom forms chlorine ion by gaining 1 electron, option D. Okay, very important, guys. The next subject question will be this one. It says use the following information to answer the question. A metal X forms 2 chlorides with the formula this and this. What type of bonding exists between X and chlorine in each of the chlorides? So the type of bonding that will exist will be ionic bonding. Okay, so that will be the answer to this question. So it's as simple as this. So the next repeated question will be this one. It says the electrostatic force of attraction between sodium ion and halide ion is greatest in. The right answer here will be option A, sodium fluoride. Alright, so since fluorine is the most electronegative element, so when it reacts with sodium, you're going to have the electrostatic force of attraction between them being the greatest. Okay, the next question will be this one. It says what type of bond will be formed between elements P and Q if their electronegativity values are 0.8 and 4.0 respectively. So it will be ionic bonding, guys. To be ionic bonding. The reason is that these electronegative values, the difference is much, so it will be ionic bond. The next subject question will be this one. It says which of the following properties would not influence electrovalent bond formation? So the one that will not influence will be option D, catalytic ability. Alright, electronegativity will influence, this electroaffinity will influence, this ionization potential will influence. So the answer is option D, guys. Next subject question will be this one. It says if a metal R forms a compound with formula, the formula of each tetra also sulfate 4A. So looking at these, the right answer will be option B. Alright, so that's it for this question, option B. This is the one that is formula of tetra also sulfate 4 will appear to be like option B. The next subject question will be this one. So guys, before I attempt this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Really appreciate this. It says the formula of mercury 1 diazonitrate 3 is, so it will be option D, guys, this one. So this is the right answer to the question, option D. The next subject question will be this one. It says what is the likely formula of compound formed between element M in group 2? So a typical example is your magnesium and element X in group 7. A typical example is your chlorine. So when magnesium reacts with chlorine, I'm going to have magnesium chloride. So the right answer this question will be option D. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says which of the following statement is correct about sodium chloride? In the solid state, it conducts electricity, its melting point is below 100 degrees Celsius, it exists as aggregates of ions, it exists as discrete molecules. The right answer is option C. It exists as aggregates of ions. Alright, that's for this question. The next subject question with this one. It says the compound formed between this and this is, so this is silicon and this is sulfur. So looking at what we have here, you can deduce that the right compound formed will be option B. Alright, so that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says if the difference between the electronegativities of two elements is large, the type of bond that can be formed between them is ionic. Option D, guys. Very important. Take note of this question. So it's either you call it ionic or electrovalent. They both mean the same thing in chemistry. The next subject question will be this one. It says in which of the following compounds does hydrogen form ionic compound? Okay, we have sodium hydride, we have ammonia, we have methane, hydrogen chloride gas. This should be the gaseous form. So the right answer to this question would be option A, which is sodium hydride. Alright, so the metal sodium is right reacting with non-metal hydrogen here. Hydrogen serves as a non-metal. Okay, so that's for this question. The next question will be here. Will be this one. It says when an ionic bond is broken, bonding electrons are gained by the most electropositive atom. No share between participating atoms. No gained by the most electronegative atom. Yes. So guys, this is the right answer, option C. Next subject question will be this one. It says which of the following compounds? Okay, this potassium chloride has a hence ionic character. So the right answer is option B. Potassium chloride has the highest ionic compound in each of the compounds here. Alright. So the next subject question will be this one. It says the compound formed by the combination of two elements with a large electronegative difference is likely to be ionic. Option D. Last question before end this video will be this one. It says the atomic numbers of element X and Y are 20 and 70 respectively. So a typical example. So an element with atomic number of 20 is calcium, the 17 is chlorine. Which of the following compound is likely to be formed by a combination of the two elements? So calcium chloride, the right chemical, which of the following will be formed? So the chemical formula for which will be option A. Alright, so that's it for this question, guys. This is basically academic problems involving ionic or electrovalent bonding for WASSCE chemistry practice with 20 questions for this video. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once more ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any special question to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and ensure to give you a response. So ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. You'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your SNE exams when you WASSCE and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the next button and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.